Guys, welcome again to another engineering economy video, which is internal rate of return. So this is the given cash flow. Year 0 is negative 4,000 kasi this is a investment. Years 1 to 5 is uniform na 15,000. Find the internal rate of return. So solution is for solving the net, okay, is numeric solution. Okay, so this is negative 4,000 plus the summation of ito 15,000 na to 5 years na 15,000. So dito natin sa baba para for negative 4,000. So sa calculator pwede nyo naman 15,000 plus 15,000 plus 15,000. Okay, but ang meron naman summation dyan, no? Ganito yung this is summation from time t is equals to 1 and to hanggang 5 years siya. So ito yung 15,000 over 1 plus the rate times the time. Okay, yan lang ilagay nyo, is equals to 0. So yung R is 25. Makukuha na natin yung return, yung R. Ito direct lang nyo na sa calcu, lalabas na yan 0.25413 or 25.41% approximate. Okay, IRR. Okay, if your monthly rate of return is less than 25.41, the project is attractive. Okay, pag nag less than pa daw dito, the project is on IRR grounds na siya, internal rate of returns na siya. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Meron pa tayong several topics sa engineering economy. Sana mapanood nyo pa. Thank you.